which I think is just like duh, like such a genius. So good. Good morning, everybody. Today is Monday, March 2nd, and it is my first day at my new job. I think I mentioned this in Vlogmas or one of my vlogs towards the end of last year, but I've been doing a few interviews lately, and about 5 to 6 weeks ago, I got the call that I landed the job. So this video is basically just documenting how I'm feeling during my first week here and kind of like my thought process through it all. I'm the type of person that doesn't adjust that quickly to change, but I'm trying to switch my mindset to saying like, just be grateful, be ready, and they chose you for a reason. So they chose me because I'm qualified, right? Anyway, it's about 7:20 right now. I left my house around 6:15. I woke up at 5, so it's been a little bit of adjustment. If you guys remember, I tried to wake up at 6 a.m. every single day for a week a couple months ago, and here I am waking up at 5 a.m. because I have to. As you can tell, I haven't really done my makeup yet, so I packed my makeup. I'm just gonna do my makeup in the car while people are driving into the parking lot.
Now, I am no creative director, so my number one source of inspiration is Pinterest. I always find so much good stuff on there. I always get so inspired and come up with such cool ideas.
Hey everyone, it is the end of the day. You can clearly see how dark it is outside. I didn't vlog that much at work just because I wanted to kind of feel that out on just how everything was. I didn't want to like talk to the camera or anything, and then people would like come by my little cubicle and be like, what are you doing? But honestly, it was pretty chill. My bosses were busy today, so they pretty much left me alone reading a bunch of manuals. So I mean, that was that. Tomorrow I'm gonna try to leave exactly at 6. Today I left at around 6:15, but kind of knowing what the traffic's gonna be like and how my work environment's gonna be like, I don't find the need to go too crazy getting ready. Like today I like curled my hair and I spent extra time on my makeup, but it's pretty cash there, like business cash, so it'll save me some time in the morning. Anyway, I'm gonna kind of rest because I'm still pretty tired just because it's not my usual routine. So I'm gonna relax and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, everybody. It is currently 6:40 a.m. and I just got to work. Let's see how long I can keep up this like excitement for being at work early before I start to dread it. But yesterday I arrived around 7, a little past 7, because I left my house a little later than expected. But this time I left before 6, like right before 6, or probably like on the dot. But I ended up just breezing through all the traffic. Like I didn't even really have to stop at all because everyone's still at home. So that 15 minutes yesterday made a huge difference. I think I'll just try to make this the goal, because the sooner I get in, the sooner I can get out. I'm gonna start like decorating my desk today. Honestly, I've been ready for a few weeks. I brought like picture frame and a little fake plant, and I brought like my lotion and my lip balm yesterday, so I'm kind of getting settled in. I'm going to get pretty and go to work. Hi everyone, I am back at home now. It is about 5:30 p.m. I wanted to do a quick Trader Joe's haul and just share with you guys what I got. Organic cold pressed orange juice. Oh, this one is so good. I know it's just orange juice, but coming from someone that can't really eat fruit, this was really good. I also picked up a few of those mango bars that you saw earlier. These are the Trader Joe's Organic Mango Fruit Bar. I also picked up the Trader Joe's Chocolate Croissants. I first heard about this from Jean or at the Gray Layers on Instagram. It looks so good in the morning. This is gonna be my breakfast tomorrow. I'm really excited because I've been craving chocolate, but I've been trying to be good about my sweets. The last two things that are a little random, but I have this Trader Joe's mini Basque cheese. Is that how you say it? Basque cheese and shishito peppers. You know how like Trader Joe's always has those samples, but they were making a grilled cheese out of these items and like sourdough bread, and it tasted so good. So I think I'm gonna have this with my juice while I'm preparing my pasta for tomorrow, and I'm gonna have it on some beef spread because I'm super obsessed with this lately. I made it to work! It is 6:30 in the morning. I just keep making it earlier and earlier to work. But I mean, I can't complain because at least I'm beating the traffic, which is all I'm grateful for, honestly. Last night was the first time since getting the job that I felt like so tired. Like waking up early was finally taking a toll on me, and it was only the second day. After I prepped my lunch for today, I ended up going on a walk with Kenny, and we didn't even go that far. Like, honestly, probably not even a mile. Afterwards, I was like, my body is gonna collapse. So I went home. I was in bed before my bedtime alarm on my phone, and I knocked out. I will see you guys later. So I feel like I'm either in the car, heading to work, at work, or in the kitchen preparing my lunch for work. Anyway, I'm preparing my lunch for tomorrow. Like I said, I am cooking some longanisa. This is basically like a Filipino sausage. And then I've grilled some onions and garlic. And then I'm going to be using this fried garlic mix that I got from the Japanese grocery store with some old rice and making that for lunch tomorrow. So basically like fried rice and sausage. Besides that, I'm super hungry right now, so I drank half of my orange juice that I bought yesterday, and then I decided to whip out my air fryer. I actually just tested this out on Sunday with Kenny, and I made some mozzarella sticks. Ooh, they look so good. Oh, look at that cheese. Ooh, I'm excited. I should put this on a plate. After I prepare my lunch for tomorrow, I'm just going to basically hop in the shower. It's a hair wash day, and then I might go for a walk with Kenny later. Good morning, everyone. It is Thursday and I am currently driving to work, and there is so much traffic this morning. Oh my gosh. Every freeway that I'm taking or that Google's telling me to take is just... Anyway, I wanted to talk about something so funny yesterday. So I posted a question on my Instagram stories asking you guys what I should add to my desk as decor. But anyway, I also posted a picture of my breakfast. So on the way to work I had a chicken melt, and then when I got to work, like during my morning break, I had a chocolate croissant. And I tagged at the Gray Layers, her name is Jean, and like her whole mood that she's promoting in the beginning of this year is you have food at home 2020, which I think is just like duh, like such a genius. Something our parents have been trying to like promote to us or convince us like all these years. Sorry, that was kind of like an abrupt ending. But yeah, I just thought it was really funny that everyone was like, oh my god, that's so hilarious. Like, Save Food 2020, what a mood. But it is, honestly. Planning to do like a what I spend in a week video, but on top of that, I'm gonna share how much I'm saving. Because I feel people mainly watch it to like see how much, like, a lot of money they're spending rather than not a lot. Does that make sense? Like, they want them to spend a lot more for it to be interesting. So I kind of want to reverse that and say saving money is good. But yeah, let me know if you guys would be like interested in that. Like, let's change this mentality that spending a lot is cool, because saving money is cooler, okay? Good morning, everyone. Happy Friday. Woo! We made it. Yesterday I arrived in like my area and I met up with Kenny. We ended up going for a walk and then we went to the market to get like some food and snacks. I was trying to get work done on my computer, but then Kenny decided that we should watch Frozen 2, which was so good. I was like on the edge of my seat the whole time. I was just so exhausted when I came home, and I still had to pack my lunch for today, so yeah, I'm pretty tired. But I'm so happy it's the weekend. I feel like I worked hard.
Sold out, sold out, sold out. Everyone is afraid to fail.
I am actually from LA. Oh my gosh, that would have been a disaster.
Thanks for having us.
Yeah.
So today we're going to be talking a little bit about Ladies of Sound. Jordan and I were there for 6 years.
Yes.